They are gonna like my hoodie. Did you like it? Hello guys, so today I'm gonna talk about a new flight controller from HDZERO and it is just amazing. So let's find out if it is good. Okay, we have HDZERO Halo flight controller here. So this is the front of the flight controller. So first thing I am really impressed about here, there are two UFL connectors. So it is like ELRS receiver inside of the flight controller. It has Gemini ELRS. So it's very nice. So let's go to features. So basically there are two versions of this flight controller. The first one is MPU 6000 and the other one is ICM. So ICM is gonna be about like $65 and the MPU one is going to be about $85. So the price range is okay comparing the other flight controllers. And so we have a type C connector here for the beta flight, and there are two ELRS and beta flight boot button here, and we have seeing two connectors here. So this one is for the ESC, so you don't need to solder any ESC cable, so you just plug and play. And also for the VTX as well, you just plug and play. So you have to plug your VTX here. It has dual back here. The first one is 5 volt, the other one is 9 volt. So, and let's go here. So this is the 3D mount for the antennas. There are two antennas inside of the box. The first one is a little bit longer, the other one is a little bit short. This one, the longer one, you can mount to the arm of the frame, and this one you can mount to the top plate of the frame. So let's go down, and this is the sample build. So without receiver mounting, it is very good that you can have low profile stock. You can even use 20 mm standoff. It is very nice. You know, I was like trying to find the room for the receiver, but this flight controller, you know, amazing, because there is a ELRS receiver inside of the flight controller, which is just amazing. So also, like, you don't need to pay like ELRS receiver. It is just inside of the flight controller, which is nice. So the, like, looking the price of flight controller is just amazing. You buy a flight controller and like it is included the ELRS receiver. So actually it saves your like wallet. So it's very nice. For the VTX part, you can use many VTXs like Freestyle, HD0, VTX, also like O3 and O4. You can like do freestyle and filming stuff with 2020. I'm using same combination. Also, like, you can use also other HD0 VTXs like race version 3 ones and other ones. It's very nice. For the LED strip connection, there are like 4 of them, and it's very nice, you know, because there are like some races FAI, like FAI, you have to use many LEDs, so it's very easy to solder your LEDs with this flight controller. I really like it. So the most excited about this flight controller, actually there is no like soldering parts, yeah, so you don't need to solder, you just plug and play. It's very nice. And there are two version of gyros, MPU and ICM, which is also nice, like low profile. You have LED and GPS pads here. here. Let me find it. Yeah, so you can like use GPS as well. It is very nice flight controller. I really like it, and I'm gonna use this flight controller next season. Also, I would like to tell about the receiver. It is TXCO, which is temperature control crystal isolator, which is like preventing like high heat environment. It is very nice. So I hope you enjoyed about this video. So I think it's very nice flight controller comparing other flight controllers in the market. So when you got the flight controller inside of the box, you have a flight controller and lots of gummies and 3D mount for the antennas and 8 pins ESC connector and the spare one. Also, you have like antennas, which is really nice because you don't need to buy antenna spare ones. And the first one is short for the top plate, and the other one is long for the arm. So this is the overall. So I see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling them wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling them wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.